So we arrived last night quite late. Our flight was delayed, and this morning we decided to go out and explore Metzerlen. It's beautiful, and what's pretty cool is that we're right at the border, and that hill over there is already France.
So that's in the distance is Basel.
It's a bit cloudy, but that's not going to stop us.
Metzerlen was first mentioned in 1194 as Metzerlen. The present name, Metzerlen Mariastein, dates from 2003. The town is located in the district of Dornegg in the canton of Solothurn in Switzerland. It's a quiet town just outside Basel, nested in the beautiful Swiss countryside. At the foot of the hill, we come across the Rotberg Castle. The castle was first mentioned in 1413 and was inhabited by the lords and knights of Rotberg. The castle had been abandoned since 1645. When the work began on rebuilding the castle in the fall of 1933, it was a ruin. Thanks to generous donations, the castle was rebuilt between 1934 and 1935, based on the plans by the castle builder Eugene Prost, through voluntary labor service for unemployed young people. You will come across numerous hiking trails anywhere you go in Switzerland, and Metzerlen is not an exception.
Someone said we're not going to do a big hike today. Well, if this is not a big hike, I wonder what the real hike will be like. And here's the rain. We called Adi to rescue us from the rain and go visit the nearby town of Mariastein. We just go to Mariastein and we're gonna check out Mariastein Church. But before that, now I gotta show you this. So you just put the money in the box and get some apple juice. Oh, that's good. Good?
Polizei figure.
There's a little camera, no?
The beginning of the story of Mariastein is surrounded in legend. Mariastein originated as a place of pilgrimage in the late 14th century. It is said that a young boy fell off the cliffs into the valley and only survived thanks to the miraculous intervention of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Over the Chapel of Grace now stands the late Gothic three-aisle basilica with Baroque interior. Mariastein is the second most important place of pilgrimage in Switzerland. The Mariastein Abbey, with its library, is listed as a Swiss heritage site of national significance. In fact, the entire village of Metzerlen and Mariastein Abbey site are part of the inventory of Swiss heritage sites. In 1648, Mariastein Abbey was established here with the relocation of the remnants of the failing community of Bönigen. The abbey was secularized twice, in 1792 because of the French Revolution and in 1874 as a result of the conflict between the state and the Roman Catholic Church known as Kulturkampf. In 1971, following a cantonal referendum, the abbey was restored under the civil law. The total renovation of the monastery complex is tackled and successfully completed with a church renovation between 1999 and 2000.
Im Namen des Vaters und des Sohnes und des Heiligen Geistes. Gnade und Friede von Gott, unserem Vater und unserem Herrn Jesus Christus sei mit euch. Liebe Pilger und Pilgerinnen, seien Sie alle herzlich willkommen zur Monatswallfahrt am ersten Mittwoch im Juni. Immer wieder wird uns verkündet, wir sind nicht allein, Jesus ist mit uns.
It was time for a Swiss-style dinner with espresso martinis and a night out in Basel. Our first stop was at the Bohemia restaurant and bar, located in the Marthof Hotel. The first thing we did is went up to the rooftop to take a look at the incredible views of Basel. We then proceeded to the famous Le Trois Rois Hotel on the bank of the River Rhine. The first surviving record of a hotel on this site with its modern name dates from 1681, where the Drei Könige Inn was identified as a place where the merchants lodged. This place is rich with history, with many important people staying here and very important deals that have been made.
Well, that was quite an experience. I really enjoyed it. And this place looks incredible.